Hello, Cougars. Mrs. Sutliff here. I just want to give you a quick reminder of how to find the digital citizenship lessons on Typing Agent. When you get on your computer, you can click down here on the Google icon, or you can double click on the Chrome icon up here, and that should open your Clever page. If it doesn't, or let's say you're in Kickstand and you want to go to Clever after you finish your Kickstand lesson, you can come over here to the puzzle piece on your computer, click that, and then Clever is right here. Now, if you want your Clever seed to stay on your dashboard up here, you can click on this little pin and it will make it so your seed just stays up here, and then you can click on it. Okay, log in. Some of you have your password saved, others are using their Clever badge. Let me switch to student mode really quick. Okay, then again, you're going to have to scroll down to find Typing Agent. If you would like to, you can click on this little heart here in the top corner of your application, and then it will go up here into a favorite resources. I can also favorite my Kickstand and maybe my Pearson and my McGraw-Hill, things that I use every day. I can make those favorites and then I can find them easier. Maybe I want my Destiny to be a favorite so that when I want to go code, it's right there for me. So go into Typing Agent, and when it loads, you'll have all of your activities that are unlocked for you. These are mostly locked right now for you, but as we go through the year, I will unlock some of these for you so that you can do other things. Right now, it's keyboarding or digital citizenship. So go into the start today, and you should have already done the lesson number one. It starts you with lesson number one, and you can tell that you've done it because you've got stars here and you have a score for your quiz. You can go into your quiz to see how you did, and I recommend that you review your answers, especially if you didn't answer all the questions correctly, because you can see what the correct answer is. And then when you go back to Kickstand and you do your quiz on Kickstand, I use some of these questions to make my own quiz on Kickstand. And so if you get the answers wrong, you can learn from your mistakes here, and then you'll do better on the quiz on Kickstand. So I'm going to X out here, and then I'm going to go to the next digital citizenship lesson. You can see I don't have stars on this one yet, so I need to do this one. And there's a 7-question quiz when I'm done. After I finish that, I need to go back to Kickstand. And as we continue working on Typing Agent digital citizenship, you will finish lessons and you'll have to keep track of where you're at as you go. Okay, so that's it. Just remember to go back to Kickstand. You might have a tab open on your screen over here that says Kickstand that you can click to go back. You might also go back to Clever and then just click on Kickstand and then go back into the lesson that you were doing to do the Kickstand quiz. All right.